Hey guys, Paula here. I'm out in my shed and I wanted to go ahead and do a really quick review of these Agriform tablets. Now, these are 2010-5s. Basically what that means is that it's going to provide 2 years worth of nutrients, or up to 2 years of nutrients to a brand new tree, brand new shrub, something that you're just recently going ahead and trying to establish in your ground. It's going to give the nutrients needed for the top growth, lots of nitrogen, the top growth of that tree, so lots of curb appeal, and then also root establishment. Okay, so go ahead and help to develop those roots so that it will have long-term growth, and then top growth so that you have the curb appeal. All right, now I use these in my water lilies. Basically I will take one tablet and I will shove it in the dirt of my water lilies, so that way I get lots of great green growth. My water lilies are in hanging baskets, so it's really easy for me to go ahead and add one of these guys to it. But these are actually shoved in the ground. You dig a small hole, you go ahead and you put it in, cover it up, and then as you are watering or as it's raining, it actually will go ahead and feed that tree or shrub or bush or whatever it is that you're using or planting. Now, these are actually going to be one tablet for every gallon, whatever that tree is. So if it's in a 5-gallon, you would use 5 of these tablets. So these are 21 grams, and as you can see in my hand, they're about 1.5 inches or so. They're not super big, but they're definitely big enough. Basically, if you figure like a little bit bigger than the size of a quarter, and then of course about 1.5 inches tall. So just in case you were just trying to figure out if you wanted these or not, hopefully this would help you to go ahead and make that decision. Y'all have a great day.